Take it away, Daniel.
Yeah.
This is a
So
question by Carolina, by the way.
yeah. And thanks for this question. It's a really good one. So let's try to answer it the best way we can. So what if I have several primary customers that are different, and I have to find a way to do something that works for all of them? So I would say this is a very common question when it comes to journey mapping. Uh, we have several customers. We have several primary customers. What do we actually do? And my experience and my answer to that from, journey mapping for almost 20 years is that you probably don't have several organizations to serve those people. So one, you need to make a map that covers them all. So make one map with several parallel lanes, I would say, but not more than four. So if you have more than four primary customers, you probably have a different problem in the organization about choosing primary customers. But I've been working with up to four, and that works really well. So make one map with parallel lanes for the four different customers, because when you blueprint and you go down on the back, what happens on more on backstage, you need the same there to serve those different customers, or more or less the same. So that's the answer to that one.
Yeah. So why four? Because four still seems a lot for me.
I say four is the absolute maximum.
The absolute maximum.
Yeah, because if you have five, you can't handle it. I mean, four, it's kind of tough to handle it. Three is better, and two is even better, and one is perfect. Um, but
Yeah.
I would say that it's quite common that you have one or two customers, for instance, or maybe three, and then four is an extreme case, but never five or six or seven.
And how different do they have to be? Because, if a customer is sort of similar to the previous one, have you found a way to actually know when to make the distinction and create a separate lane?
Yeah. Um, they have to be different enough. So if you try to serve them with the same um, set of touch points, you will definitely lose them, or they will not be happy at all. So, um, but I would say that a process to come to this conclusion is very often that, okay, this customer is so different, so we have to create a different lane. But very often when you look at those two parallel lanes, you see that they are much more equal than you thought when you started. So then it's better to just find the least common factor between those. So I would say that to create different parallel lanes and to work with several customers in the process, that's very natural. But it's also very natural that you, in the process, start to question, do we really need to make two different or three different of those, or are they more equal than we thought when starting? So I
And you
would
can
say
always sort of combine them back and
yes, yes.
okay.
Which I would say that is the common case. That is the common process that they are so different, so we have to create different ones, and then we see them parallel, and we see they are more equal than we thought. So let's do one of them.